Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install iPadOS 15 on your iPad. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. As you can see right now, I have installed the iPadOS 15. I have the app library, I have the widgets and all the cool new features of the iPadOS 15. But how can you really install it, this new update? So first of all, you should go to your settings, and in your settings menu, if you scroll down at the general tab, you will find the second option is software update. And if you go to software update, and if you did not install the iPadOS 15 yet, then it will appear here, right here in the middle, saying that the iPadOS 15 is available and you can install it. Or there is another situation, if you did not install the previous update, the iPadOS 14.8. So for me, it was the case that I had to install, first of all, the iPadOS 14.8. And just after I installed that, then the iPadOS 15 availability appeared in the bottom of the screen. So I could update it to iPadOS 15 just then. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.